Good morning, students. One and all present here. If you remember, in last video, I was talking about air cargo, different types of air cargo. In this video, we will be discussing about cargo handling, different types of air cargo handling. Okay, so specifically in this video, I'll be talking about a specific type of air cargo handling. Okay, so as I just mentioned about types of cargo that we handle, perishable cargo handling, dangerous goods handling, live animal and plant cargo handling, valuable cargo and human remains, unaccompanied baggage, and personal effects. Okay, so these are the different types of cargo that we handle. Okay, so today we will be discussing about, I will be describing about perishable cargo handling. So this is a perishable cargo that we talk about. We talk about perishable items. Okay, perishable items, generally food items, flowers, vegetables are more perishable. Okay, that we know that it gets perished, it gets decayed very fast. Okay, such items, if we are delivering from one place to another place, we are transporting from one place to another place by an air cargo, it requires a specific care. Okay, it requires a specific care. In order to transport these perishable items, there are specific rules and regulations are stipulated by IATA, that is International Air Transport Association. Okay, International Air Transport Association has perishable cargo regulations, okay, which serves as a comprehensive guideline to handle any perishable goods and items. Okay, so specifically with reference to conservation and preservation of these perishable items, it has to be kept in a specific temperature, in a specific container. Okay, all that need to be taken into consideration. So frozen goods, if it is a frozen goods like seafoods, the ice cream, or any kind of flesh, meat, it has to be stored under minus 20 degree temperature or lower than that, to keep it as fresh, so that there is no decay. Okay, as when it is we are transporting, when we are preserving at any point of time till it reaches to the end user. Okay, and vegetables also must be kept under 0 degree centigrade, so to keep up its freshness, vegetables, dairy products, or fruits that we are transporting as a air cargo from one destination to another destination. Okay, so these are all perishable cargo handling rules, regulations that we take into consideration. Apart from that the what else we take into consideration is, apart from the temperature, the kind of a container. Okay, the shipping container that we use, okay, it has to be quality oriented. Okay, there is a specific quality has been stipulated by IATA regulation, so that container has to have certain kind of quality, certain kind of conditions, when it specifically when the item, perishable item, is in transit in the airport, it has to be preserved in a specific container. The quality of the container has been mentioned in the type of container, quality of container has been said in the regulation stipulated by IATA. There is also a pre-shipping procedure. Okay, pre-cooling. We must ensure that the goods has been kept under a particular temperature before loading. Okay, so while loading it, there's supposed to be no decay. Okay, that has to be taken into consideration. There should be proper packaging, suitable packaging, by maintaining a particular type of temperature and humid level if it is too much of humid, there is a chance of the product or the vegetable or fruit getting decayed. Okay. The primary, the most important aspect what we have is training and certification. Okay. The personals, the various personals or professionals who are handling this kind of container, handling this kind of items, perishable items, who are involved in transporting, putting up in transit, and putting up it in warehouse and transporting it from one place to another place, keeping it in a proper keeping it in a proper place and in a proper container. All these who are following these operations must be properly trained. Okay. They must be properly trained. They should undergo a particular shipping perishable cargo course offered by IATA. If they are qualified under IATA, they have undergone this shipping perishable cargo course. They are the personal professionals. They know how to handle perishable cargo while transporting from one destination to another destination by air cargo. Apart from that, there is also a certificate programs like offered by Center of Excellence for Independent Validators. Okay, such certificate programs also can be pursued by these professionals who can really who undergo a proper process how to take care of these kinds of perishable goods, which comes in the form of fruits, vegetables, dairy products such as. Okay. So in order to ensure its in order to ensure its quality standards and freshness. Okay. So for today only, so we dealt with perishable cargo handling. So stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you.